Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dgentle Academy. On today's session, I'm going to be taking us through some few things. As I've mentioned on my previous video, I said something down here. I said I'm going to be taking us through how to get free web hosting, how to build a fast loading website for non-techies. Alright, so this is the video. Alright, we've just started this website, I think 9 days ago right now, and I think we've gotten 53 subscribers for now. So thank you for subscribing and thank you for pushing our website. Alright, so in today's session, we are going to be building a website for non-techies. Okay, so we need three things. We need a Gmail account, we need a template in form of an XML, and we also need a little editing skills. All right, so don't get scared about these editing skills. Okay, so now let's navigate here. When you open your Gmail, all you just need to do, you navigate here and look for where they've written blogger. This is blogger. Okay, then you select it and you're going to land on this page. Okay, so on this page, this is a new blogger actually, so we are going to do it together. All right, so make sure you stay with me. Let's give it a name. Okay, Dgentle tutorial. All right, then select on next. So this is the URL which you're going to be using. You can also give it Dgentle tutorial. Alright, so let's check for the availability of this URL. So they say the blog address is available, so our blog is going to be appearing as dgentletutorial.blogspot.com. but don't worry, later in future I'm going to teach us on how to remove these. Alright, so it's going to be dgentle.com or dgentle.organization or dgentle.academy, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so we're actually going to host our website on Google, which is free, and we're also gonna host our websites using Gmail basically, which is free. Alright, the URL is also from Google, but we are going to work on these later in our video. Alright, so you select next. Okay, then on this place, all you just need to do, you have to select the display name. Let me leave it as Dgentle tutorial. Alright, then I tap on finish, so you see it's processing. Alright, perfect. So now let's view this. As you can see, dgentletutorial.blogspot.com. so this is how it's going to appear. Alright, so don't worry, we are going to do some little editing from the back end such that our website is going to appear professional. Alright, so let me close this and go back to the back end. Okay, so on this side, let me look for, this is the layout, this is how the layout is. Okay, so we are going to navigate to themes. Alright, so when you first started, you are going to see this notice. Don't worry, you can go through it, but I would like to remove it. Okay, just close and close. All right, thank you. So here we need to customize our website. So from here we are going to select restore. Okay, at the same time, when you have the XML file, you can select restore, then choose the location where it is. You see, it said you can upload a theme from a file on your computer. Okay, but what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be using a different method. Okay, so I'm going to select edit HTML. All right, so this is how the back end looks like. Okay, this is how the back end looks like. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, let me show you. As I've said, we need three things, right? Our Gmail, our template, and our little editing skills. So this is our Gmail, okay, and this is the theme which we are going to be using. All right, don't worry, I'll try to leave a link in the description below where you can get this theme. All right, it's a premium theme, so don't worry. So all right, we are going to open this theme. Okay, we are going to open this theme. So I've already opened mine. Now close this. Don't worry, because of all these editing things, don't worry about that. So I'm using Visual Composer. This is an editing software. All right, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to select all. Okay, then I copy. All right, you can press on Ctrl C, or you use the shortcut method by copying. Okay, so I've copied mine. Let me head back to my back end of my website. You can see, so this is the back end. Let me take us through again. You just navigate to themes. Okay, then you go to, you select this arrow down here, then select edit HTML. Okay, then I'm gonna select all, then I control what I've copied from here. Okay, which is this thing right here is this. Okay, as you can see, XML file. All right, so I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste the file here. You can see I've pasted it. Okay, I've pasted, sorry. Okay, all right, then what I'm gonna do, this is save. Okay, this is save, so I'm gonna press on save. So let's allow it to process. It's processing, as you can see. Update successful, right? Then I would want to go back. All right, so now let's view our website. Boom, you can see perfect, excellent. So don't worry, I'm gonna leave a link to where you can get this thing. Initially it wasn't looking like this, right? So don't worry, we are good to go. Everything here, everything you are seeing right here, everything, you can edit it, everything. All right, so okay, and you can see, you can change it to dark mode. Let's leave it back, you can search. All right, so now let us do some little editing. I think maybe we should edit what exactly. There's a sub menu. Let us change okay, let us change something from here. All right, so what you're gonna do, you would want to go to layout. Okay, yeah, this is how the back end also looks like. Okay, now this is social. This social, it's where is mine? Where is mine? I think I have not turned it on. Social. Okay, it's off, as you can see right here. I switched it off. So if I want, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the codes right here. All right, I'm gonna put the codes right here. Okay, we can change the header image, maybe if you want to. Right now we are currently using a text. Okay, it's a text, the Dgentle tutorial, the way it appears right here. Okay, let me write something, maybe the Dgentle Academy. All right, then I save. Okay, now let me refresh this page. Perfect, you can see it's the Dgentle Academy, but this seems, it looks too long. All right, okay, in the later in the next videos, okay, we're gonna learn how to completely, I'll try my possible best to edit everything, basically everything. All right, so even these, we can put a picture right here, we can put a download link, we can add, we can edit the colors, whatever I want. Okay, so try to stay tuned, sit back and watch close. All right, also we are gonna edit this such that our website appears as dgentletutorial.com, or we can change it to something different, or yourname.com, or we can basically change URL. all right, so without wasting much of time, I would wanna cut this short. If you need more further information from our website, you can check through these, you can check through these, you can check through this. All right, these are premium information, and it seems this is doing very good. All right, okay, if you find these helpful, kindly hit the like button, okay, and the notification bell. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share to anyone whom you think might find this important. You can also visit our website. Okay, as you can see, this is basically the website which I'm going to be editing. All right, so this is for our YouTube. Okay, and you can find here some WordPress theme, some WordPress plugins. All right, right here you can see. So later in the future, we're also going to be learning about WordPress. As you can see, this theme right here, let me show you. This theme here, it's what's been uploaded here. Okay, so if you also need these, kindly comment in the comment section. Just comment by saying the Dgentle tutorial, give me this theme. Okay, so it's as simple as that. I'll try and get a possible means to get the necessary thing to you, the necessary theme which you may be in need of. All right, okay, thank you guys, see you in the next session.